Hello, hi, I'm Punita here from Huawei Global Training Center, and today we're going to discuss about the content Troubleshooting Application Layer Fault Part 7. So, troubleshooting user plane path fault. User plane is referring to the service related problem, service or data services. So, fault description, the S1 interface is normal, but the cells are successfully activated. UEs can attach to the network, but cannot set up bearers of all or some of the QCI. So, this is the problem. So, what are the possible causes? The IP route is incorrectly configured. So, this is related to the route configuration, or the user plane parameters are incorrectly configured. So, let's check into the details. Step 1. Check whether the user plane fault is reported. For this, we are referring to the alarms. So let's see whether got any alarms related to the user plane. Else, we can look into the configuration, but this is optional. For link mode, you can list IP path. And for user plane, for the endpoint mode, you can list user plane peer to endpoint mode command. So in this command, the QoS and DSCP is 0. If it's 0, only default bearers can set up. So in this case, you must change the path type to any. So this is the key point here. So when you list the IP path, make sure the IP address is configured accordingly. And this is referring to the S gateway from the eNode B side. eNode B to S gateway. So because this is user plane. And make sure the path type is any. If it's DSCP 0, that means it will only set up the default bearers, which is not giving any services. So let's check into these details in our lab. So list IP path. So this is the local IP address. And this one is the peer IP address. So they have configured. And this is the path type. Yes, the path type is any QoS. So let's go into the next example. Troubleshooting O&M channel faults. So for the fault description, this alarm remote maintenance link failure alarm is reported. So this alarm is reported for this case. OM channel faults are classified into two categories. One, it can be related to OM channel unavailability. The OM channel is faulty. Second one is related to OM channel interruption. The OM channel is intermittently interrupted. So what are the possible causes? The transmission network is faulty. The OM channel parameters are incorrectly configured on the eNode B or MAE access. Some ports are disabled in the transport network. So these are the possible causes. So let's check on the eNode B connectivity with the MAE access. So we have to make sure the eNode B alarm status can be found from the main topology or from the main alarm browser. So you can check from the main page. So let's look into the details on how to check on this. So from the main topology, we can actually extend apply to browse the current alarm to see whether got any alarm related to remote maintenance link. So this one is remote maintenance link running data mismatch. So similar, so all the alarms will be displayed here. So you can view the alarms from this category. So this is the main topology page where you can browse the current alarms. Q&A session. Wrong IP route configuration could cause IP path to be faulty. No, this sentence is wrong. The second question, the alarm 25901 remote maintenance link failure alarm is related to OM channel fault. Yes or no? Yes, that's the correct answer. So the summary of this section, troubleshooting application layer fault, we have learned about troubleshooting IP path fault, troubleshooting OM channel fault, and the last one on how to check on the eNode B connectivity with the MAE access. That's all from me. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Bye.